Okay. Good morning, dear student. How are you all? Must be keeping well and doing your homework regularly. Children, today we are doing subject and predicate. Before I switch on this subject and predicate, in previous chapter you have learned the sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, today we are doing subject and predicate. Subject and predicate means every sentence has two parts. Like, see the example, John brought a crate of fruits. Here John is a subject, brought a crate of fruits is predicate. The part of sentence which tells us what the sentence is about. And predicate, the part of sentence which tells us something about the subject. In every sentence, we mention a person, place, or thing as subject. And then we say something about that person, place, or thing is predicate. Now, fill the blanks with subject. Dash is in the nest. The bird is in the nest. Children, keep one thing in your mind. If the verb is in singular form, you are supposed to fill with singular subject. If they would have been given the birds, then you are supposed to fill here the birds are in the nest. Next, an elephant has a trunk. Let's do fill the predicate. My father goes to office at 9 a.m. The horse likes to eat hay. Here, if they would have been given horses, then you are supposed to fill horses like to eat hay. The fishermen, here fishermen is plural. The fishermen are catching fish. Normally, a subject comes before the predicate, but in some cases, such as proverbs, it may come at the end of the subject. Look here, the example, sweet are the uses of adversity. Here, subject may be missing in imperative sentences also. Example, keep quiet, sit down, stand up, etc. Subject may be missing in imperative sentences. There is command, so there is no subject. Now exercise 3, identify the object. Before doing this, children, listen. Subject and predicate has an object also. A predicate may have two parts, a verb and an object. Object always receives the action of the subject. The subject is connected with the object through the verb in a sentence. The verb and the object complete the information about the subject. See here, someone has stolen my watch. Here, watch is object. All living things are mortal. Here is no object. I miss my childhood. Here, childhood is object and this is an abstract noun. The milk is boiling. There is no object because if they would have been given, I am drinking milk, then the milk becomes an object. Thank you. I hope you have understood what is subject and predicate.